Hi, today let's learn how you can install and link up AiTrillion to your Shopify store. The process is very simple. All you have to do is log into the backend of your Shopify store, which will look similar to this. Click on Apps. In Apps, click on Shop for Apps and search for AiTrillion Marketing Automated in the Search Apps section. So I'll search for AiTrillion. Once I see the AiTrillion app, which is by AAA E-commerce Inc., I'll click on that and I'll click on Add App. As soon as I click on Add App, it actually would take me back to Shopify and would tell me exactly what all the app would and would not be able to do. So I'll click on Install App over here. Once it has connected to the online store, it'll tell me, it'll show me the various pricing plans. A comparison between the free plan and the paid plan is available right over here. You can click on each aspect to see what you will have in the free plan and what in the paid plan. If you are an enterprise customer, so you have above 10,000 customers yourself, you are an enterprise plan, you can let us know and we'll give you the best pricing possible. Just email us on support@aitrillion.com and we'll help you the best we can. For the purpose of this example, I'm going to click on the Start Free button, which allows me access to the free Community Edition plan. Once I've clicked on the free plan, it takes me to a page to create my account. Now I can put in all my details like I have put in already. And you can use register as Facebook or Google as well. But I've put in manual details that we use for test platforms. I click on register. Special characters are not allowed in the name. That's okay. So I've clicked on register. And as soon as I click on register, it's basically creating my account. It says registration has been done successfully. And now it brings me to this wizard setup. The wizard setup basically allows you to set up certain things quickly. You can skip the step if you want to, but we would normally recommend that you enable the web push notification instantly so that you can start connecting with web push. So push notification, a clickable message that is shown even after the browser is closed. Tells you basically a few things about push notifications. Save. You can set up loyalty rewards. You can set up product reviews, affiliate marketing, and then if you need to skip the step entirely, you can skip the step. And by skipping the step, it basically takes you to the AiTrillion interface. Tells you your email address is not verified, so you do have to go into your email and click on verify, and then you can set up each aspect of AiTrillion one by one. You can go to the module settings so that in the module settings it basically allows you to enable or disable each aspect of AiTrillion. So keep setting it up, enable one, set it up, enable the other, set it up, depending on your usage and your requirements. If you have any difficulties doing the setup, AiTrillion does offer a completely free setup. So you can send an email to support@aitrillion.com or click on the book a demo link and we'll take a request for the setup over a Zoom call with you. You can also live chat with us from www.aitrillion.com. And we normally do a setup as per industry standards. And the maximum time we take for that is usually 24 to 36 hours. The setup itself is very easy, and we have a massive knowledge base. If you go to www.aitrillion.com/knowledge base, or use knowledge base under the resources section, you will see each section and enough information in each section for you to be able to set it up. Each section also comes with its own video that tells you how to set it up and use it. And live chat, like you see that popped up just now, is available for you to use anytime and every time. If you are on the enterprise plan or if you have over 10,000 customers, we have some very good pricing plans as well as a managed marketing plan that would help you with entire marketing of your website, social media, as well as AiTrillion. So you have to do nothing, just sit back and watch while we do everything for you. If you're not on the enterprise plan, do not worry, we'll still help. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.